to start off our day today, we're getting some pho, brand new restaurant. My cousins, and there's my uncle, there's mom. And we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go do some car stuff. That's why I'm wearing Liquid Moly stuff, which I always wear Liquid Moly stuff anyways, because why not? And it's hot. I'm wearing jeans today. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna look less hobo like I normally do, because I've got a special guest, but I'm gonna die because it's gonna be so hot today.
Thấy gì không? Nè, thấy gì không? Bỏ anh đó.
So this, look at these Owens. We're going to a car show drift thingy. I don't know exactly what it's gonna be yet, and but there's my cousin. He's gonna take me. We're gonna have fun. Day 3 of being in Vietnam, and I'm already doing way too much. A lot, actually. This is diabetes in a cup too. So we're literally just in a big ass roundabout. This is how I imagine people using roundabouts. So we're basically on the freeway, and this is the motorcycle lane, and that's like a big car lane. And stuff. So if you see the sign up here, it basically tells you not to go over there, and if you do, you can actually get in big trouble with the cops. We're not in the city anymore, so all you see is literally green. And we're just going straight. We've been going straight for the last 20 minutes. So we're at the racetrack. We're at the venue right now. So there's where you park, and that's it. There's the racetrack. I'm assuming it's the racetrack. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in there. Look. So we're here at this Bike Fest 2022, and look, all these bikes out here. This is typically what we do in America, but I think they understand a little bit more like English than I thought. So they're doing a drag race right now. Manage to find car stuff just because I enjoy car stuff. So like, look, if you guys look here, you're gonna see a bunch of people behind me just literally doing whatever the hell they want to do. It's like not even sanctioned at this point. It's literally just do whatever you want to do out there. They are literally two-stepping, and it sounds like it's about to blow up. I don't even know what car this is. I think it's a Golf R. I think it is, actually. It looks like they're on some Ford Stars or Welds or something. Not 100% sure what they're on. Yeah, they're gonna blow up. It's a Volkswagen. They're gonna blow up. And it's a BMW, so it's definitely gonna blow up. And it's on T37. What do you think? BMWs? And there's only T37s as well. So the C63 is on air suspension as well. I don't know what kind of air suspension it's on, but it's bagged, so. I really want to find out who owns this FRS, and I want to drift it so bad for some reason. I had one of those, and it was the most fun I've had when daily driving, because I could literally drift that thing any given point in time. And they're super easy to do. FRS So I've always been a really big fan of Repsol and their liveries and whatnot, and they're here today, and let me go check it out. So they're drifting the BMW Cup car. So they're bringing this BMW out as well. Let's see how it does. So he forgot to turn off traction control. And he still doesn't have traction control off. Still has traction control on. Probably still has stability control on as well. The BMW overheated a little bit, and that's kind of why he got pushed back into here. But you see how he's got a lot of camber in the front. That gives him a lot more traction whenever he's got his wheels turned sideways. So if you notice, so if you look, now, you see the handle? You're gonna pull it. Right there? Thấy không? Cái tay mà không phải cái tay mà kéo, nhưng mà cái e-brake á, thấy không? Cái đó là lúc mà mình kéo á, nó sẽ đi ngang được. Tại cái xe kia nó không có. Đây nè, cầm nè, coi nè. Coi cái e-brake đó, cái tay cầm đó. Lúc mà mình kéo á, cái bánh sau á nó dừng, mình mới trượt được. Nó dễ trượt hơn.
Cái màu đỏ.
No, cái tay cầm nè, thấy không? Cái tay cầm đó. Cái đó tay cầm là cái của cái e-brake đằng sau. Nè, nhìn nè. Thấy cái bộ thắng thứ nhì không? Cái này bộ thắng chính của chiếc xe. Cái này là của cái cây tay cầm đó.
Khi mà kéo cái này thắng lại hả?
Đúng rồi, lúc mà nó kéo cái đó thì cái bánh xe này nó sẽ dừng lại. Lúc mà nó dừng lại thì cái xe nó sẽ trượt. Sorry guys, I was talking in Vietnamese. So basically I was explaining to her how e-brakes work. So basically when you pull the e-brake handle, down here it's literally grabbing the wheel and grabbing the tire. It just makes it stop, so it slides out a lot quicker, a lot better. I really want to find out what engine's in this car. So this looks like, I can't really tell. It looks like an SR, 2J, or an RV. I know it's boosted, that's all I know, but still like the LMG T4. Okay, so I see some HKS stuff. So this is the owner of this drift car. He's going to tell you a little bit about it. It's a 2J. So look at that big ass turbo. He said drift car mà do gì? He says it's dirty. It's freaking dirty as crap. Anyway, I mean, you're drifting. You don't need to, like, it's already dirty.
But so, I like to make it clean. I love to make it clean.
Okay, so it's extremely hot. I'm fat. Does not work. So we're gonna go do something else as well. They're not gonna drift for a little while, so we may come back, we may not, we'll see. I've had a little bit more fun than I thought I would, just because I was not expecting this to come from Vietnam at all, period. And just them going out there and just having fun a little bit, not too bad, not bad at all. And look guys, look at this gas station. Look at these wheels, these are super freaking cool. Those look like CE28s for the car. It's kind of funny. So it's gotten really, really hot, and there's that Civic. It's really hot, so I'm actually gonna get out of here. I wanna get something to drink. I'm thirsty as crap. It's not dry here, so it doesn't hurt my throat or anything, but it's still very humid. I'm sweating my balls off. And we're gonna just leave because yeah, it's just way too hot. So peace out, Drift Club. I may be renting a car probably the next few weeks or so and have fun with it. So apparently this is an old amusement park, but it's so far out of the city that nobody ever comes here. So it's basically like an empty lot with a bunch of cars. I want to see how it looks on the inside. There's a wedding over here, and I'm really debating on going to crash it. See, look. It's like a traditional Vietnamese wedding. Well, you know what time it is? It is ice cream time because it's so hot. Okay, so there's a bunch of ice cream over here, and they're welcoming us with open arms. Okay, your pick.
Coffee. I want to drink coffee.
Look, I'm gonna steal his too because I'm hungry.
Tại cái khu này là khu đẹp nhất mà không chạy vô được. Còn những cái khu kia thì chạy ngang qua.
Thì cho em chạy. Anh không chạy được thì cho em chạy.
Nói kiến
I'm trying to convince him to let me drive this thing, and he can't because he doesn't want to lose his job. And I told him he can just go home early, and I'll just steal it. They'll never know. Đi bộ vô không?
Thôi, bạn đi nổi không? Đi không?
Đi vô trong đây thôi, cái trong đó là đẹp nhất của Đại Nam mình.
Để vui.
So I stole them and made them come with me just because I'm bored and I don't want to stay at home. So this guy asked me if I wanted some photos taken, and I was like, I have an iPhone. iPhone photographer, duh. So there's a bunch of koi down here, look. Look at these little things. I mean, well, they're huge. Look. I wanted to look so homeless today because it's so hot outside, but mom made me wear jeans. Yes, my 4'11" mom made me wear jeans. And I have to say yes, because she'll kick my ass if not. Yeah, you try messing with a freaking 4'11" Asian lady, see how that goes. So there's a walking street that I'm not gonna go on. It says Happy New Year. Oh, there's the go-kart. There's the go-kart track. I want to go go-karting so bad. Đua ngựa phải không?
Đúng rồi, đua ngựa.
So
Mai
there's
mới có anh.
the horse races.
Em chở cho mình vòng qua coi tiệm đua luôn.
Okay, so watch this, look at this, and see how much you think we paid for this.
Không, ủa nãy em bàn này mấy triệu không mày?
Nửa, về nửa bạn.
À là mình chỉ kêu nửa bạn.
Trên camera có mắc cỡ không? Không mắc cỡ hả? Ok.
Chua tôm sẽ để.
Is it good?
Good.
Is it good?
Yummy. Yummy.
Okay, so I'm now extremely full, and we ate pretty much everything except the rice. So it's basically like an amusement park / fair type thing. There's some paintball. No, good eat dipping.
Chơi cho mình kêu xuống.
Oh.
Hôm
Look at
nay
all
là
these
4.000 học
buses.
sinh. Trong ngày hôm nay là 4.000, ngày mai 3.000 mấy.
So they're on a bunch of field trips. This is like a lot of schools and school children just here, just hanging out. So we're gonna go ice skating. We may die.
Tiết nhân tạo.
We'll see how this goes. Okay, so this is a different type of ice skiing that I thought we were gonna do. So this is the jacket, some boots. We look like we're in like almost hazmat suits. Thì mặc cái này thôi.
Em định sao mấy cái này cũng nhỏ nhỏ vậy?
Cái nào cũng. So we're about to go in now. Okay.
Ôi già mát quá. Ôi giời mát quá.
Làm rồi ra.
So we don't actually ski, we just walk around. Are you cold? You cold?
Very cool.
Okay.
Hai đứa đi xuống dưới, không có
Ready?
nặng quá.
Ready?
Hai đứa đi xuống dưới. Dính em mắc rồi chừng á.
Okay, ready? Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So my mom and my cousin are about to go down. Oh, there's my cousin. There's my mom.
Không sao hết. Rồi dạ.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
It's cold in here.
Oh my god. the third part.
Okay, round 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2, 3. Cầm mẹ, cầm mẹ, cầm. Xí mẹ đi thẳng á, ba đứa con mới quậy đó.
Nằm quá, nằm nó dễ chơi. Now this is the last time.
Chuẩn bị chưa? 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's freezing and we're leaving. Is it cold? 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 Lạnh quá, lạnh quá. Ow.
Giờ đuổi thì giờ bắt đầu ra nó nóng nằm nước mới biết cái nào để độ nè.
Vô lại. Oh my god, my lens is fogging up.